To use Uber Cash for your Uber Eats orders. First, ensure you have the Uber Eats app open. Uber Cash is a default payment option, and it's essentially a wallet that you need to refill or add money to in order to use it. To do this, go to the wallet option, then select Uber Cash, and choose a payment method, such as a credit card, debit card, or gift card, to add funds to your Uber Cash wallet. Once you've added a payment method, you can check your balance and view your transactions. After setting up your Uber Cash, go back to the home screen and select the food you'd like to order. Add the dish to your cart, then proceed to complete your order. When you're done adding items to your cart, tap on the View Cart option, then select Continue to proceed to the checkout. Here, you'll review your order and select your payment method. Make sure to choose Uber Cash, as long as it's loaded with sufficient funds. By selecting Uber Cash as your payment method, you'll be able to pay for your food using the funds in your Uber Cash wallet.